Hi! Once again, this is Teacher Nelly D. Navarrosa teaching on our lessons in English alphabet from A to Z and their sounds. Letter A, the sound is A. Ant. The beginning letter of ant is A. The beginning sound is A. Letter A, the sound is A. A. Letter B, the sound of B is B. Bulldog. The beginning letter of bulldog is B. The beginning sound is B. 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 Letter C, the sound of C is K. Cat. The beginning letter of cat is C. The beginning sound of cat is K. Letter D, the sound of D is D. D. Dove. The beginning letter of dove is D. The beginning sound is D. Letter E, the sound of E is E. Elephant. The beginning letter of elephant is E. The beginning sound is E. F. F. The sound of F is F. Fish. The beginning letter of fish is F. The beginning sound is F. G. The sound of G is G. Goat. The beginning letter of goat is G. The beginning sound is G. G. H. The sound of H is just like a breathe. Horse. The beginning letter of horse is H. The beginning sound of horse is I. The sound of I is E. Iguana. The beginning letter is I. The beginning sound is E. J. The sound of J is J. Jellyfish. The beginning letter is J. The beginning sound is J. Letter K. The sound of K is K. Kangaroo. The beginning letter is K. The beginning sound is K. Letter L. The sound is L. Leopard. The beginning letter is L. The beginning sound is L. 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 Letter M. The sound of M is M. M. Mallard duck. The beginning letter is M. The beginning sound is M. 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 Letter N. The sound is N. N. Narwhal. The beginning letter is N. The beginning sound is N. Letter O. The sound of O is O. Octopus. The beginning letter of octopus is O. The beginning sound is O. Letter P. The sound of P is P. P. Panda. The beginning letter is P. The beginning sound is P. P. Q. The sound of Q is Q. Quokka. The beginning letter of quokka is Q. The beginning sound is Q. 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 Letter R. The sound of R is R. Rabbit. The beginning letter is R. The beginning sound is R. 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 Letter S. The sound of S is S. Sea lion. The beginning letter is S. The beginning sound is S. Letter T. The sound of T is T. Tamaraw. The beginning letter of Tamaraw is T. The beginning sound is T. T. U. The sound of U is A. Umbrella bird. The beginning letter is U. The beginning sound is A. U. A. Letter V. The sound of V is V. Vervet monkey. The beginning letter of Vervet monkey is V. The beginning sound is V. W. The sound of W is W. Whale. Whale. The beginning letter is W. The beginning sound is letter X. The sound is X. Xanthos's hummingbird. The beginning letter is X. The beginning sound is X. X, 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 X. Y, yeah. The sound of letter Y is yeah. Yak, yak. Y, the sound of Y is yeah. Letter Z, big letter Z, and small letter Z. The sound of Z is Z, zebra, Z, zebra. The beginning letter is Z. The beginning sound is Z, zebra, Z. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something. And please share this to your friends, lalo na pag meron silang mga anak na nag-aaral at nahirapang magbasa. Share this at ulit-ulitin yung panoorin ito mga kabataan upang matuto kayong magbasa. At least makatulong man lang, and subscribe.